Hello dear kids. I am your Wrinkle Miss, your computer teacher. Welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, we are studying our chapter 5. Name is Editing Text in Word 2010. And we have learned how can we open Word and components of it. Now today we are going to start from the topic entering text in a document, which is given on page number 43 in your computer textbook. So let's start our today's study. Children, today's first topic is entering text in a document. Entering text means to add text in a document. It means we can type text in document using keyboard. When we type text using keyboard and the letters are seen on the screen in document, it is called typing, and we can say that we can enter text in document. So let's see how can we enter or type text in document in Word 2010. Entering text in a document. To enter the text in a document, follow the given steps. Once the new document is open, you can start typing in the document using the keyboard. While typing, do not press the enter key when you are reached the end of the line. While typing the text, you will find that the cursor automatically gets shifted to the next line. It means while you are typing, no need to press enter key to go on the next line, because the cursor will automatically shift to the next line when we reach at the end of the line. So this feature of Word is called word wrap. But remember one thing, when you want to start a new paragraph, at that time you have to press the enter key when above paragraph is end. Okay, so when you start new paragraph, you must have to press enter key. So this way we can type or add text in our document. Our next topic is selecting and editing the text. Children, after typing the text in a document, you may want to make some changes in the text. To make changes in a document after typing is called editing. Sometimes to perform some actions like copying, moving, finding and replacing, deleting or formatting the text, we need to select the text. The selected text is displayed on the screen in a highlighted bar. As you can see on the screen here, when we select any text, it will display in highlighted bar. Here the three lines of text are displayed in blue highlighted bar because this is selected text. And at the left margin side here, this area is called selection area. Selection area is used to select a block of text, means more than one paragraph. Okay. Our next topic is selecting the text using mouse. As I told you, when we want to perform any actions on the text like copying, moving, deleting, formatting, we need to select that text first. So, let's learn how can we select text using mouse and keyboard. We can select the text in a variety of ways, such as first is a word. We can select a single word from the paragraph. Next is a sentence. We can select a single sentence also. As you can see on the screen here, one sentence is selected and it is displayed in highlighted bar. Next is third one is a paragraph. We can also select the whole paragraph like this. So we can select a single word, a single sentence and the whole paragraph. Next is a large block of text. It means more than one paragraph. We can select 2 or 3 paragraphs or more than that also. So we can select a large block of text like this. Next is number 5, entire document. We can also select entire document, means our whole documents at a time like this. You can see on the screen like this. We can select the whole document, our whole document using mouse. So let's see practically how can we select a word, a sentence, a paragraph, a large block of text and entire document. Selecting the text using mouse. First, a word. Double click on the word. If you want to select a single word from the sentence, you just have to double click on that word. It means you just press mouse click 2 times on that word. The word will be selected. So this way you can select a single word from the sentence or paragraph. A sentence. Hold down the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. If you want to select a sentence, then you just have to press control key from the keyboard and hold down that key. After holding the control key, you have to click anywhere on the sentence. Then after, your whole sentence will be selected. So press control key from the keyboard, hold down the key and click anywhere on the sentence. The whole sentence will be selected. Next is a paragraph. Triple click anywhere in the paragraph or double click in the left margin of the paragraph. If you want to select a whole paragraph, then you just have to triple click anywhere in that paragraph. Triple click means just press left mouse button 3 times. This is called triple click. So triple click anywhere in the paragraph, your whole paragraph will be selected. Or you can use another method, which is double click in the left margin of the paragraph. Left margin means the selection area. So double click in the selection area beside that paragraph, the whole paragraph will be selected. So this way you can select a whole paragraph. Next is a large block of text. Click at the beginning of the text, then press the shift key and without releasing it, click at the end of the text. It means if you want to start your selection from here, so this is called beginning point. So click at the beginning of the text here, then after press the shift key from the keyboard, but don't release. Hold down the shift key. After holding down the shift key from keyboard, click at the end of the text. End of the text means where you want to end your selection. From here to here. So click end means click here to complete your selection. So first click at the beginning of the text and after press shift key from the keyboard and with holding the shift key, click at the end of the text means here. So this way you can select a large block of text means number of lines that you want to select. Next is entire document. Click anywhere in the selection area while holding down the control key or triple click in the selection area. It means if you want to select the entire means whole document at a time, then you have to click anywhere in the selection area with holding down the control key from the keyboard. as we learned earlier, this is called left margin of the document is called selection area. In this selection area, you have to click anywhere after holding down the control key from the keyboard. So this way you can select the entire document. Or you can also triple click in the selection area. If you don't want to hold down the control key, then you can do triple click in the selection area. Means press left mouse button 3 times. This is called triple click. So this way you can select the entire document. And remember one thing, we have shortcut key also to select the entire document. And this shortcut key is Control CTRL Control plus A. Means you have to press Control key with A, alphabet A key from the keyboard to select whole document in Word 2010. So remember this shortcut key. This is the shortcut key to select the entire document. So children, this much study for today. In next class, we will go further in this chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.